I say 4, including us.
No,
I see a llama.
including
Can I go
us
for it?
3.
Oh, he found the llama,
Yeah, me
right?
too, me
Right, found the
No, bro,
llama.
don't go. Don't go. Don't.
Just mark it for now. Just mark it for now. We'll just take it from. Bro.
We just want the zone. We just want the zone now.
I marked it.
Guys, let's go here. Let's go here. Come here. Come here. Come
Both
here.
of you
come
marked
here.
it. No, let's just
I'm
play.
in the house.
Then I can get it. I can get it because I won't get
We have the
mythic,
best
so I
drop.
can
We have
get
the
it
best
right
drops. We have the best drops.
now. I'm getting the mythic. I'm getting that. I'm getting the llama.
Just don't need to
Okay.
die.
Sparrow, do you have
I
a
got
blue
bombed.
weapon for me?
Where's
Okay,
the
I'm
henchman?
getting. I'm
Where's
getting.
the
absolute-
henchman? Where's the henchman?
I have a green SMG for you. I have a green SMG for you.
No, you are using green.
Hut.
Bro, just get in here.
SMG. Oh, blue.
Just hope he dropped the blue.
There's people coming. Yeah, I want that.
Okay, he got a. There's a grey here. Kill this guy.
I
give me
got
a
to
shotgun
spaz. I
ammo.
got to spaz. I got to spaz. Guys, I got to spaz.
Nice.
If you got anything
Nice.
epic,
I'm
just give
rifting
it to
and
me.
coming.
Anything epic?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm coming. I got a blue sniper, so I'll give that to you, and I have minis and chuck splashes for you.
Any epic
You got a
thing?
blue what?
And
Any
I'll
epic
split
thing?
all mats and ammo. Okay, come in the
But then
bunker.
it-
Come in the bunker.
Guys,
Come in the bunker.
Guys, let's go. Alright, there's a team here.
There's this here.
110 tag.
Yeah, bro.
I'll.
I'm freezing. What? My game is so perfect.
Yeah.
I killed his default friend
Right,
right here.
right, left, right.
There's a guy in the house. There's a guy
I
in the
got,
house.
I got 2 minis for you.
Yeah, just get the henchman.
Nice.
I'ma take their LMGs.
I'm shaking down.
Christy-
Shaking down.
Christy-
I got 4 minis, so you guys can take the minis. Minis?
Above us.
Okay.
Storm above us.
Okay. Come here, I'll chuck splash. Come here, guys, come here.
Push out.
20, 1 HP. 1 HP, literally 1 HP.
Okay, I'll finish him with this splash.
Bro, easier for you.
Right. Straight down.
Bro.
Oh, I can
Come
carry the
here, come here.
bro fishing rod because it's blue. Oh wow, that's a nice thing.
Bro, take the blue pump. I'm armed it.
Where? Oh, give me the blue pump.
Hello, yeah, guys, let's go to the Doom. Let's go to Doom and just get.
Can you please come to me? I'll split you mats and all.
Yeah, come to give it to me. Give it
Come
to
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
Guys, come to me.
Drop
I
it,
have
drop
flash,
it, yeah.
I don't
Shut
need
up.
You
flash.
split it to him. You split
Yeah.
them. And
He took the board.
okay, come.
Flash.
Bro, we are
Bro, you
wasting the
shouldn't-
flash.
you
Can't
should-
you come together? FS?
Bro, you man.
Okay, just take this.
Yeah. I have max minis. Yeah, now what were you saying?
Okay,
Guys,
guys.
there's people on me. Guy on me.
Yeah.
He just surrendered.
I'm not good.
Drop.
Yo,
Dead.
why did you
think
take my
he went
kill,
AFK.
man?
Wait, क्या
Just shake him.
No, I won't.
Just shake. Why did you shake?
I killed him, sorry.
Okay.
He was a
Oh, I headshot.
Did you cross it?
Yeah, I saw
Guys,
you.
right there. I headshot. Come to me.
I'm going to the shot.
Okay, there's a guy in here. 100%.
That's a henchman.
Oh, for real?
Next one, plant.
Let's kill the henchman in it.
Come to this house. Come to this house.
That's a henchman.
There's a chest here at least.
I'm taking
I-
mini.
Yeah. Sure. One sec.
I'm out.
105.
I got this house.
Oh, that was a Doom henchman. What the hell? Knocked. Yeah. All of them are gone. Just kill this guy. Get him out of the lobby.
Guys, I need the mat. I need some mats.
Take the man.
Yeah, come to me. Sparrow. Come here.
I'm at-
I'll just drop you 200 metal.
Yeah, I'm coming. I need.
You are max good.
I have 500 wood.
I'm dropping.
200 metal.
You
Yeah,
are
I'm coming.
max
I
good.
need metal.
I have
I took it.
500 wood.
I'm dropping. Sparrow. I dropped the all.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need some.
I splitted my metal as well.
I'm here. Hit the shield.
Guys, does anyone have? No.
Yeah, eat that thing, those things.
Yeah, but
The problem
we
is
all
that
are max health.
yeah, we
so.
all have max shield, so. Or else a
I
challenge.
Last year
have
there
0
was this-
kills. I'm getting carried. I'm getting carried. Like,
I have.
Bro, there's no thing about getting carried, man. You're helping us.
I need the metal. I need the metal. Drop it to me. Drop it
I
to
dropped
me.
it behind.
We
bro.
dropped it to you, man.
200
Arey,
metal.
right took it. Right took
200
it.
metal. I dropped
I
200
didn't
metal.
take any metal, bro. I've.
Arey, you just went past
Okay,
me
people
and
More
shooting,
shots,
people
guys, more
shooting.
shots.
30 metal. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Sure. One sec.
I'm out.
105.
I lit that.
Oh, that was a doom engine. What the hell? Knocked.
Kill on me.
Yeah. All of them are gone. Just kill this kid. Get him out of the lobby.
guys, I need the mat. I need some mats.
Yeah. Come to me. Sparrow. Come here. I'll just drop you 200 metals.
Arey, there's a charge for you. Arey, yaar.
I have gold.
Why
If you have a
can't-
spaz.
Why can't you degrade?
Yeah.
Degrade?
Because no one would want to degrade and listen until they are doing a challenge.
Yeah, that. Facts. But they should actually get degrading. Like it will be good for the trolls. You know.
And you get materials back.
What if you could upgrade something? to
Yeah, you
anything?
can just if you don't want your SMG, you can just take it from blue to grey. You will get some mats. And then you just drop your SMG.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah,
you do
that will be
that
good
for
for
getting
comp.
mats. Like you get that for mats. You do that for mats.
Yeah. Oh, blew that. Who blew that? What the hell?
What was that? Oh my god.
That
Why did you blow it? Are you dumb?
I didn't.
Oh. Really?
Ammo.
You did?
Oh really? I
Floating
didn't.
ammo, floating gun.
And that's
Okay.
Bro,
yeah, where?
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's behind us. Wait, what? Oh my!
Wow.
What are you kids doing? No!
What the hell? Wait, who was sniping? Who's it?
I know who it is. I know who it is. It's this guy. It's Sparrow. It's
You guys
Sparrow.
got 2 killed.
हमें पता था तुम्हें.
At first I was like someone did really shoot us.
Okay, there's a stack
Guys
car
are
here.
dumb.
There's a stack car here.
How is
No way.
that one so small?
Oh,
Sparrow, stop.
not Sparrow. I'll take right.
I need
Not Sparrow.
Yeah.
Only
We
two
both
people
can
can
walk on foot. We both can walk on foot. There's no worries.
Bro, you can't
Bro,
do it.
what are you doing?
and damage. You're just wasting your ammo.
Yeah, and giving up our location.
Oh.
People.
Guys, come to me.
Stop.
Where's that guy?
27.
I'm pushing this kid, man. I'm pushing this kid. Bro, who was that with the mystical bomb? Holy hell.
Of course, me.
I got scared shitless.
Guys, I'm dead. I need some medkit or something like that.
He's right here. Where is he? Literal 1 HP, guys. Literal 1 HP. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. Start rest if you can. Yeah, hit the rest.
Wait,
If you can.
I'm resing.
Yeah, both of us are here. Does anyone have a medkit? Oh,
No.
and big pots?
I have minis. I don't have big pots.
Yeah,
big
I also
pots,
have minis.
big pots and
That's why I'm asking.
are
I also
there
have
behind.
minis.
Big pots and.
Oh, I need some mats. I'm getting that.
Is the spaceship moving?
Master, stop. I'm coming. Master, stop.
Okay, calm down.
Guys, someone has a medkit or what? Does someone have a medkit?
Switch seat.
Wait, I'll drive it. Listen.
Bro, don't, Naya.
Guys, does
तो
someone
मैं
have a
location भी
medkit?
बता देता है.
Does someone have a
No.
medkit?
Bro, we are going to take a medkit, man. What is wrong?
You have medkit behind.
There's the bandies here. I have some bandies here.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
There's nothing in the vault. There's actually literally nothing in the vault. So I'm just putting on some
I know where medkits are.
Yes.
Wait. I know where medkits.
I'm just putting on some bandies for the time.
Where is it? Where is it?
I want
You left the
to try.
medkit behind.
There.
I need to get the big pot
Okay,
first.
where's the crate?
Can somebody give me some break? I have like none.
I'm breaking down the crate. Wait.
Yeah, there are more guys shooting. More guys shooting.
Let's
The
go, we
radio.
got the video! We got the video! Yeah.
There's the campfire here as well. Okay, shots. Wait, who was that?
What? Yeah.
Bro. Sparrow, what? Why? Why you bullying me?
Because he's mad.
The three kids, man, three kids.
Oh my god, are you dumb? Bro, I'm not playing with you.
I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just having fun.
I didn't break the wheel.
I claim, no. Yeah, thank God.
Guys, we want to bait the last 3 people. Like, I have fire traps. You know, we can bait them. Oh, I heard shots. Go, we got the
Just
video.
shut the radio
We got
off.
the video.
You don't want to get copyright claim.
Yeah, actually. Just get.
There's the campfire here as well. Okay, shots. Wait, who was that?
Yeah.
Bro. Sparrow, what? Why? Why you bullying me?
Mad.
The three kids, man, three kids.
Card finish one. Battle.
Guys, he's on me.
I'm taking the
Yeah,
XP
I
point,
can
so
see
just
him.
wait a minute. I'm taking the XP point.
I'm dead. How the frick did he do that? Right, just come to me and rest me. He's killing me. Can someone just come to me and pull off the rest?
XP point finish, bro. I need the XP point. Haha.
Bro, just come to me and do the challenge now, please. Just come to me and rest me. Just come to me and rest me,
I'm
right?
coming.
But can you please shut up?
Okay,
We are
sorry.
fighting people. They'll kill me. Now they'll kill me.
No, Animan, I'm trying to connect it.
Okay, he's above.
Just go, just help them,
Yeah, he's right here, right on me.
My all maths are over.
Wow.
I'm
Wow.
I'll come.
I had a blue bomb, man. It gave 20 damage.
Brad,
Bro, if Riot won't be there raising you na, we would have won. 2 people are 1v4ing.
Instead of 3 people, 3v3.
Like, that's what I hate, bro.
No, knock on guy.
Shouting for res.
Brad's really getting off, bro. Get on me.
Yeah, I hear.
He's coming from me,
Yeah, he's right behind you.
Oh my god.
Chill. He's gonna laser the shit out of you. Right above you, right. Oh no. He's in the box. No problems, guys.
Okay, we are pushing.
No problems,
We are
guys.
pushing this.
Knock on guy.
You knocked him, nice. Wait, this is the last squad.
Last kid.
Yeah, laser him. He has a fire telling you.
Let's go! Let's freaking go! We got the video.